What's up guys? Today we are going to review the new Tranya Nova wireless earbuds. You know, we have already tested wireless earbuds of this brand, but that was over 3 years ago. Since then, wireless earbuds have improved a lot. Tranya Nova has hybrid active noise cancellation, Qualcomm QCC3072 chip, Bluetooth 5.3 and aptX technology, 12mm dynamic driver, and even wireless charging support. The new Tranya earbuds are priced at $79, and I think this could be some of the best earbuds under $100 in 2023. In this video we will check the design, control functions, app features, latency in games, microphone quality and sound quality of the Tranya Nova earbuds. The wireless earbuds come in a very simple white box. There is only company logo on the front and the model name of the earbuds on the back. Inside the box is a charging case with earbuds, as well as an envelope with a user manual, USB cable, and a silicone ear tips of different sizes. It is a little odd that the charging cable is white, while the charging case and earbuds are black. By the way, Tranya Nova earbuds are only available in midnight black color. There may be a white version later, but I am not sure about that. You know, I am not a big fan of glossy plastic and prefer a matte finish, but it looks very good here. I think the glossy plastic makes these earbuds look even more expensive. The charging case has a company logo, power button, LED indicator, and USB Type-C charging port. The earbuds are also made of glossy plastic. There are silicone ear tips, so the earphones fit tightly into the ear canals. As already said, the extra ear tips of different sizes come in the package, and if you feel discomfort, try changing them. The Tranya Nova has touch control panels. We will talk about their functions a little later. The earphones also have 6 microphones, 3 on each earbud. We will test the microphone quality later. You should also know about IPX5 rating. It makes the earbuds waterproof. You can even take a shower with a Tranya Nova. By the way, the dimensions of the charging case is 60 by 45 by 24 mm, while a single earbud is 34 by 25 by 25 mm. The weight of the single earbud is 4.5 grams. The charging case with earbuds inside is 45 grams. You know, even although I prefer have in-ear earphones, the Tranya Nova earbuds do not bring any discomfort after long use. In addition, they do not fall out of my ears, which makes them good for sports activities. Now let's talk about touch control functions. First, you can tap once on the right or left earbud to play pause music. A double tap on the left earbud switches to the previous song, while a double tap on the right earbud switches to the next track. You can also change the volume by a triple tap on the earbuds. One of the main features of Tranya Nova earbuds is active noise cancellation, and you can switch between noise cancelling, ambient, sound, and normal modes by pressing and holding for 1.5 seconds on the left or right earbuds. Talking about the control functions during a phone call, a single press takes a call, and a double tap ends the call. If you want to reject a call, then press and hold the earbuds for 1.5 seconds. By the way, you can customize the touch control functions in the companion app. Let's take a look at it. The application is called Tranya Audio. You can download it on Android and iOS devices. You know, I really like the design of this app. It looks much better than the Xiaomi Earbuds app, for example. In the app, we can see the battery level of the left and right earbuds, as well as the charging case. There's also an equalizer in the app. We can select the preset, such as balance, bass boost, bass reduce, and vocal boost, or create your own equalizer preset. As already said, you can customize the touch control functions in the app. By the way, you cannot enable the low latency mode through the touch panels, but the game mode is available in the app. We will test the latency of Tranya Nova earbuds a little later. Finally, you can select a noise cancelling, ambient, sound, and normal modes. Okay, now let's check the latency in PUBG Mobile with game mode turned off. Now let's turn on the game mode in the app. As you can see, the latency is really low, so do not forget to turn the game mode on when you play games. As I said before, Tranya Nova has a 6 microphone system, 3 on each earbud. It also uses Qualcomm QCC3072 ENC technology and a wind noise reduction technology. Let's test the microphone quality in a quiet and a noisy room. Hey guys, I'm testing the microphone of Tranya Nova earbuds. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's me in a quiet room. Now I have turned on a street noise simulation on the TV. It is noisy in the room. Do you hear me well? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So the Tranya Nova supports active noise cancellation. When you turn on the ANC mode, the earbuds reduce external noise by up to 43 decibels. It is a very useful function when you are on a bus, underground or plane. You can also use it in a noisy office. However, I don't recommend using it when you are doing sports. It is better to use ambient sound mode to hear the noise around you, like a car horn. When it comes to the sound quality, Tranya Nova has 12mm dynamic driver, Qualcomm QCC3072 chip and aptX support. The earbuds also support exclusive Sonic Max technology to improve the sound quality. In the app, we can select an equalizer preset. The sound does change when you change presets. If you are good at audio, you can tune the equalizer yourself. The default presets are enough for me. Balance preset is fine for all music, but if you want a little more bass, select a bass boost. Overall, the sound quality is good. Another feature of Tranya Nova earbuds is the battery. The charging case has a capacity of 400 mAh, while a single earbud has 45 mAh battery capacity. The listening time on a single charge is about 9 hours. The talk time is about 4.5 hours, which is very good result. Tranya Nova with a charging case has a total battery life of 36 hours. Therefore, the battery life is definitely an advantage of these earbuds. Tranya Nova also has one of the flagship features – wireless charging. The manufacturer promises 2 hours of battery life from 30 minutes of wireless charging. To summarize, the Tranya Nova is the best wireless earbuds that I have tested this year. I actually like everything about them, including design, controls, app support, latency in games, microphone quality, sound quality, and battery. In my opinion, for their price of $79, these are very good wireless earbuds. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!